Hey everybody, hey Richie D here for Hubcap Nation, where we drive the vibe. So what is today? Today's Sunday, right? So you're thinking, hey, what's today's Sunday? Today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, and happy Father's Day to the most specialist, goodest, bestest one out there, which is mine, by the way. Anyways, hey, father of three, Vietnam veteran, coal miner, hard worker, awesome, and a car guy, What more could you ask for, right? Anyways, love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day. Make sure you stay tuned to Hubcap Nation here. Where were we at yesterday? Do you know where we were at yesterday? I told you, and I shot some video from there. You know where were we at? That's right, you got it. Carrol Township Fire Hall. We were in Monongahela, Pennsylvania. We were hanging out all day yesterday there. Were you there? No, I didn't see you. If I did, you didn't say hi. So why didn't you say hi? I would have said hi. I would have said, hello, hey, how you doing? I would even bought me like a hamburger or something to drink if I was you, because that's the kind of guy that I would be for me. Anyways, why weren't you there? If you weren't there, you missed a cool show. There's some great car pictures and car shots before me here, and there's gonna be some after me. So make sure you stay tuned, make sure you watch them. Every car has a story, got some stories to go with some cars. So anyways, you gotta stay tuned, you gotta keep tuned into the channel. Please like and share with your friends, because maybe they need a laugh too. And hey, I would laugh at me. If I was me, I'd laugh at me. Anyways, but if I would also get me something to eat and drink yesterday, so that's okay. But anyways, don't worry about it. Anyways, make sure you stay tuned. We got some cool stuff coming up this week. We got a couple interviews this week, which you're really gonna like. And we're gonna be somewhere, I don't know, Friday and Saturday and Sunday next week. So I will let you know midweek. That's a surprise too. I will let you know midweek, but we will be there talking to some more people. If you want to find out where we're at and you want to get on the channel and maybe you want a dash pack, because those are cool, stay tuned. Please like and share. Make sure you keep watching me. Hey, this is Richie D here for Hubcap Nation, where you got it. We drive the vibe. Stay tuned next time.